Hi there, in this video I'm going to be striking the balance between patience and endurance in relationship. Patience is something that you must have in a relationship, but you are not to endure in any relationship. Relationship is not to be endured, it is to be enjoyed. So there will be times of conflict, there will be times of issues that you might have to walk through or that you would have to walk through. But a relationship you have to endure is already a very, very red flag. So what am I trying to say? Be patient in your relationship. Be patient with your partner, but do not endure in a relationship. Do not endure with your partner while you are still able to walk out of it. What am I trying to say? Give your partner a benefit of doubt, but do not ignore their red flags. Give them a benefit of doubt. Make excuses for them in your mind. Create room for improvement for them in your mind, but confront them with the issues that you're concerned about and hear them speak about their thought pattern around it. Hear their thought pattern around it. Know how they are processing it. Is this person trying to make adjustments, or do they feel that this is the right way to go? So patience is simply having the ability to hang around to find out where they are mentally about an area of concern. Endurance is finding out where they are about an area of concern and still hoping that they will change, although they have revealed to you that this is who they are. So for instance, if a partner gives you a reason or two to feel or to suspect that they are not prudent with money, that they are very reckless with money, don't just conclude without proper evidence. Be patient enough to hang around to find out, probe further, question them. And when I say question them, I don't mean go about policing them, but have conversations with them and find out what their thought is around it. And then allow situations to play out that allow them reveal to you who they really are. And then you're able to make decisions based on who they are, not what you suspect that they are. And then again, when you find out who they really are, treat them for who they really are, not for who you want them to be. A reckless spender will always be a reckless spender. You are not the Holy Spirit. It's not your responsibility to change somebody from being a reckless spender, except you feel like you have the intellectual maturity to be able to handle the reckless part of them. Then that's a different conversation. Also, something that is very key is to ask yourself, is this person teachable? Can the both of you actually walk through it? Is this something that is this an issue that the both of you can deal with? Make sure you find out in the relationship and don't think that you would walk through it in marriage. Whatever red flags, whatever issues come up in relationship, make sure that they are dealt with in the relationship and not in marriage. Any issue that is not handled in the relationship will most likely not be handled in the marriage. A non-complacent woman, a reckless woman would in a relationship would most definitely be a reckless and non-complacent woman in a marriage. An irresponsible man in a relationship who does not walk through it in the relationship would definitely and most likely be an irresponsible man in the marriage. So if they are willing and teachable, then you both can walk through it. But if you find out that this is their standpoint about an issue, then you must walk out if it's not favorable to you whilst you're still in the relationship. I hope this has been able to clarify a lot of air about how to know when to walk out and when to remain in a relationship, how to know when to be patient, and how to know when not to endure in a relationship. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next one.